no sky limit, yeah.
Wow. All right, guys, what's up and what's good? As you guys can see, I'm back, Paul Cantu, with a brand new trip to the Thrift, and I just got back from the gym. I look a little bit dirty. I'm doing this intro from inside the car right now, but I had to hit up the Salvation Army today because it is a discount day, and I'm fingers crossed hoping they have a couple of pieces that I scoped earlier in the week. Now, I'm not here right when the store opens, so only Lord knows if it's there, but I already found some fire today. Go ahead and check out these finds that I actually got before I came here. All right, yo. So I have to show off these pieces, man, just because it's so cool. But it's actually the beginning of the day, and I just stopped in this store, hence why we're using the phone. But look at this essential vertically striped polo. So sick, man, like grape infused dye, delicious, perfect, and nutritious. And then you have the essential Ralph Lauren polo right here, Americana swag. And then the last piece of apparel are the Levi's 501s, my favorite fitting type of Levi's. They're absolutely perfect, coming in my size, a 32 in the waist, a 34 in the length. You guys know, I'm a string bean, you feel me? And then last and not least, just something for the home decor. You have that boy Big Ken Griffey, Hall of Famer. Very cool, framed on this nice kind of wooden backdrop. Bro, it's a classic. I had to nab it. But yeah, this is what I found at the first stop of the day. What up? All right, so yeah, we already started today off with a bang low key. Let's hop in and see what they have in the Salvation Army. Wow, guys, we have a live performance in the building right behind this giant bed. My guy is doing his thing. Wow, what a vibe, dude. It definitely is a vibe in the Salvation Army right now. Now, they didn't have any of the pieces I came in looking for, which is a shame, but I did manage to find a couple tees that I want to show off. You got the Don't Tread on Me, all made in America, little snake tee. Hello, that fool got that mouth and tongue work on him. Now, speaking of mouth, oral, throats, and tongues, look at that neck, bro. You have this vintage t-shirt. It's gonna be $1. Pilot brand. I just love when the cuffs are all knit like this. The attention to detail was immaculate back in the day. Now we have this gnome slash dwarf with the giant inspirationally long beard. That Bah Humbug Grumpy tee. Pretty cool. It's gonna be like $1.50. And then last and not least, guys, you have the Polo Ralph Lauren Rugby. Very clean, kind of a carrot colorway, dynamic with the infusion of deep navy blue. It's wavy. But yeah, that's what I found in here thus far. We'll see if I dig up anything else. Whew. All right, so unfortunately, Salvation Army didn't have anything else that I needed, but I just hopped into a Goodwill and I found one exotic and erotic animal encrusted find right here. Now, y'all know, when I enter into a Goodwill, I enter into just insane price territory. They're charging $7, or I guess $6 for this shirt right here. Now, the saving grace is this actually is discounted today, which is nice. Now, the non-saving grace is if you need some God in your life. They have this super cool Virgin Mary religious framed painting, or I guess it's not even a painting, just a little picture. And they're charging $25 for this.
Personal foul, tripping by the offense number 15.
Under no circumstance should you have the introduction of religion into your life costing you that much. Now, what's even worse is they have another one, right? Virgin Mary, surrounded by like cheap dollar store bulletin board, I guess, border, right? For $40. $40. Oh my God. Like, are you joking me? This isn't even a high quality print. Bro, this is what I'm talking about, man. It's just absurdity on absurdity when I enter into these Goodwills. But hey, I mean, got some wildlife on torso, potentially. So, I mean, that's what we got, dude. They're tripping. Tripping. Wow, speaking of tripping, dude, they got my spirit animal straight decapitated. Man, looks like an ISIS hostage, bro. That's terrible.
Get the head off a nigga like a guillotine.
Oh my God, look what we got. Ron Burgundy colored.
Never ceases to amaze me.
Yo, this fabric feels so good. This is almost like a reverse weave French terry high quality Adidas hoodie. Now I'm gonna grab this. It's just a nice essential. But what's weird is this actually is priced at like $6, which is moderate, but they value this t-shirt the same as this hoodie. I don't know, bro. There's just price discrepancies. Ooh, then right down the street, check it out, man. A Hilfiger Fubu shirt. Got the 5XL big boy Fubu collection jacket. Oh, this one also is on sale, but bro, I'd have to put on some serious weight to rock this bad boy. Bro, another one. When I was a young warthog. One for the pink, one for the stink. They got the Lion King crew neck, and they have the dual wield Rudolph vintage made in USA crew necks. Things go kind of hard. High key, I used to watch this cartoon as a young child. These are dope. Guys, it's crazy. Someone donated their whole like bootleg fake plant collection, but Paul Plant 2's finna get this little tri-divided pie chart looking ass piece of glass and put some different types of plants in it. Hell yeah. Terrarium status. Oh man. Yo, Goodwill actually low-key surprises me on occasion. On sale, the Regatta Sport Polo. Nice. Color blocking is immaculate. Damn, bro. Look what the homie pulled up with. Green Bay starter jacket. You know what I'm saying? Sir. Hey, man, you guys go follow my boy Ace. His IG is right here. But damn, lit ass find in the Goodwill. I'm a motherfucking star boy. You dig? Hell yeah. Woo! All right, guys. So back in the saddle again. Got a nice little sack. You know, came away with some stuff at Goodwill. I'm not gonna completely just hate on them, but yeah, I'm gonna get home, take a shower, change, and then really get in these trenches now. Let's go. Okay, guys, and here we are, live in the trenches. Once again, I guess fitted up now. I feel clean, and now I'm about to get dirty, dude, because this is a thrift outlet, so the majority of the stuff in here is like stained up and nasty. Yeah. Dude, chaps? Bro, let's go. I found one of these before. That's how I recognized the pattern flawlessly. Dude, look at this dude, Nolan Ryaning this. That's nice, bro. Nolan Ryan's headlock game, vicious. Hey, look at this guy, man. Dual threat athlete, bro. You got that Jeff Gordon Chicago Bulls jersey. Who knew? Check it out, man. Fullback game. Vicious. You got that Miguel Allstott. What a beast. That fool looked like a turtle, bro. That fool built like the Hulk, straight up. Finish him. What an absolute firecracker. Look at this hood, dude. The hood even fishtails. Splash. Come on. I need these hangers to participate with me correctly. But check it out, dude. Okay. But check it out, guys. Damn it. Tripping. Did somebody say exotic aviation? The pirate? Button up? Hold up. Hey, this is what I'm finna name my daughter. Zanika. It's beautiful. Hey, Purina's a beautiful name too for a child. Ooh, Nautica with the broccoli pigmented stripes? Stop. You know what's strange about Popeye's all swollen? Is it's his forearms that are built like tanks. Look at this. Rock will never die. Popeye collabo? Okay, for sure, man. Guys, check this out, man. Check it out. Bro, what an absolute banger. Hey, don't jock my cock. Hop off my Reebok. Look at the double ribboning on the sleeves. Just encrusted in logos. Vintage AF. This is a weird little zipper concealment. I don't even know, but damn, got the big logo on the back too. Holy hell. Black and a nice lightly cooked spinach green. Man, that's clean. Let's get it. Bach boys. Damn, popping the top like, ah. Why does Dos Equis look like it's full of nacho cheese? Tripping. Hey, that's a little weird, but f it, man. I'll sip on that bottle. Check this out, man. The Super Bowl 33 champions caricature tee. Look at my boy Jonathan Elway, huh? Dude, this is just a clean piece. It's from 1999.
Nice.
Vintage pro player. Damn, dude. It's art, baby.
Is what you interpret it to be.
Uh-oh, you guys know the day had to come when I exchanged some sausage sweat with someone else. And it's right now, dude. Check it out. I hate a what?
I hate a goofy especially.
I hate a goofy especially. Yeah, you got the vintage draws, man. Plaid with the embroidery. I mean, guys, it had to happen sooner or later. I guess I'm gonna boil these in the tea kettle and rock and shock someone else's cock juice. You know there's some seepage. You know there's some seepage in all these years.
Ew.
But hey, it's mine now, boy. And I'm not doing it for me, man. I'm doing this for the culture. Jesus Christ, throw some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. Yo, I love gold. Yo, what the fuck? Look how egregious this purse is. This shit gaudy as fuck. Man, I'm gonna smelt this. Walk off with a gold bar. Uh-oh, please be vintage. Please be vintage. I think this actually might be. Yes! Uh-oh, we saucing like a damn dolphin. Approaching with caution. Y'all see I got it on my shoulder and now I'm gonna have it on head. We have like a full fit. Damn, they got some vintage hats in here today. Hold on, let's see what else. St. Louis Blues. I love that little khaki color scheme on the music note. Daytona 500. Hold up, this is like a 03. It's not as old as it could be, but still old enough. Oh, that's Senior, baby, the Intimidator. Oh, that's dirty as hell. Jesus Christ, just got asbestos on my freaking fingers. What else? Pepsi 400, Daytona 500, another Senior, baby. Damn, whoopsies. This one is hard, bro. Winston Cup champ. They got all these NASCAR tees. Someone just abandoned, like, sitting in a stadium watching cars go in a circle. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, this one's clean too. God dog it. Number 3. Man, I'm gonna have to really go through these hats and see what I'll accumulate. Oh, what a shame, dude. Someone went R. Kelly on this Toronto Maple Leafs jersey. Look at that urine spot. Wow.
That's nasty.
Oh, that boy Clay Matthews? I know I did not just find some true religion before true religion was a thing. What are those? Dude, someone tell me why I always stumble upon the most fire blazers that aren't my size. These would be an Instacop. They kind of have that like 90s ski suit vibe. Nike with the trees on the back. Man. Oh, guys, the sneaker section is low-key going off. Check this out. Oh boy, this thing looking like a damn solar flare. Hold up, that small check. Dang, these are so crispy. Bro, these Air Maxes are just going off. I gotta see the size of these, man. I want these to fit me, but I know they're not, which is very sad. So if y'all want these, you already know. thriftheavenvintage.com. That's my website, link in description. Big psych. What the f happened to the bottom of these? Tripping. All right, dude. Yeah. Okay, we're out of there. I'm concluding this video in the car just because it's raining outside, but we got the bag secured. A cop is turning left, so live the dream, get that ice cream. I'm locked and loaded, I'm out.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.